Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro ND filters by RCStyle. We'll have that coming right up. First, I'd like to thank the folks at RCStyle for sending me this set of filters to review. Second, all flights were done over the lake behind our house and or my property. This was no flights were taken over anyone else's property. With that, let's begin. This filter set that RCStyle has supplied me with contained an ND4 filter, an ND8 filter, an ND16 filter, an ND32 filter, and a CPL filter. With that, I took 2 flights. Let's take a look at the first flight, and that flight was with a ND4 filter because it was cloudy outside. So let's roll that clip. Okay, now we're going to roll the second clip, and this is without the filter. Okay, this retails for $51.99 and is available on Amazon. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description for you to check this out. I found these to be of very high quality. They were easy to take on and off of the Mavic 2 Pro, so it is something I would highly recommend that you check these out. Question of the day: would this be a filter set that you would consider for your DJI Mavic 2 Pro? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.